I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video, the afternoon edition for Monday, the 7th of June. And man, it's amazingly comfortable. Pretty warm, but the humidity values are low and hard to find a cloud in the sky with dry air in place and no afternoon showers for the first time in a long time. Let's look at some of the Skycam shots. First off, a scene captured this morning as the sun was coming up on the Clanton Skycam in Chilton County. Glorious morning, felt awfully good. And tomorrow morning, some of the cooler pockets could reach the upper 50s over North Alabama. Wow. This afternoon, there's the Gulf Shore Skycam. Watching that, of course, with interest as the oil continues to be a major concern. And again, you can see evidence that some maybe officials are down there looking at the Gulf Coast, the beach there at the public beach. Not a lot of people out there, and the tint of the water looks awfully dark to us. But again, it's hard to ascertain from this view what the current situation is. But that image is always up on our website if you'd like to see that. We'll try and get some closer shots here in just a little bit. Prattville, that's the Skycam in Autauga County, north of Montgomery, right off Cobbs Ford Road near Interstate 65. And in Selma, looking at the Edmund Pettus Bridge and the Alabama River down below, and not a cloud in the sky. The westerlies are to the north, but a front has made it all the way through the state. And not a shower on the board. And boy, those numbers are amazingly comfortable for the 7th of June. Those are at 2 o'clock. Birmingham only 83. Wow, same for Anniston. Tuscaloosa 85. Montgomery, the warm spot at 87. And you factor in the low dew points and feels very comfortable. Watch warning map, not too many issues around the nation. Got flash flood watches up for parts of the Midwest. Severe weather possibilities for the rest of today and tonight. Now, how'd you like to draw that slight risk area? Talk about an odd shape. Includes Salt Lake City and Des Moines and Amarillo, Texas. Tomorrow, basically the same area. This is from just east of Denver back over to Indianapolis, and on day 3, which is Wednesday, a couple of risks to the west and north. There's a QPF chart. Expected rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning at 7 o'clock, and this is suggesting, well, not very much. Really nothing along Interstate 20 from Meridian over to Longview, Texas, and Mountain Alabama range, Matrace, around Demopolis to maybe 1/2 inch on the northeastern side of the state. But again, we'll kind of get back to the scattered afternoon shower and storm thing late this week. And the tropics are quiet today. We'll check the 12Z GFS. This is valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow, 1 o'clock on Tuesday. This is at 500 millibars. Troughing over the northeast. That's what brought that dry air in here, but we've still got ridging aloft here, and down below that we stay in dry air. So tomorrow, a lot like today. Sunny, maybe a tad hotter in the afternoon. The high may be up in the low 90s, but the dew points will stay fairly low. Wednesday, we'll mention a small chance of an afternoon storm as the ridge weakens a bit. There's a front north of us. And Thursday, that front drifts down toward Nashville and Charlotte, and you can see kind of an arcing band of showers on that front. And we'll mention a chance of an afternoon shower or storm Thursday, but again, there's not much upper support for that. And Friday, you can see we've still got ridging here, a big trough out west, and a weak front just fizzles out. This time, no dry air. Looks very typical there, partly sunny, hot, muggy, chance of an afternoon storm, and that'll be the weekend forecast. There's Saturday and Sunday. The chance of the air mass type afternoon storms. Week from today, Monday of next week, the western trough lifts out as a short wave, and of course, as you expect this time of the year, it passes well to the north of us, but it breaks down the ridge a little bit. Still warm, muggy, a few scattered showers and storms, and on Tuesday, the 15th of June, a surface boundary gets in there toward the Tennessee Valley and just hangs up. And that might enhance the chance of showers and storms if that happens, and that's out there in Voodoo Country 8 days from now. And speaking of Voodoo Land, how about the 23rd of June? And winds aloft are light and variable. That looks pretty standard there for us. Summertime in Alabama, nothing too exciting. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We will have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.
Weather.